Imagine a heat pump installation without proper planning. Chaos, right? Roughing in is the backbone of successful installations. It ensures condensate drains, refrigerant piping, and electrical lines are perfectly aligned before the system is mounted and charged. Without this step, technicians face costly rework, leaks, and safety hazards. Let's explore why proper rough-in sets the stage for a smooth professional installation. Proper planning and setup are essential for successful heat pump installations. By paying close attention to details, you can ensure that all aspects are covered, leading to a more efficient process. Understanding each component's role, such as condensate lines and electrical connections, is crucial for smooth and optimal operation. Every part is important, and having comprehensive knowledge and executing carefully results in lasting success. Installation process. Let's explore this further. Every HVAC professional requires a well-rounded toolkit to effectively handle the diverse tasks encountered daily. Flaring tools are essential for expanding pipe ends to form leak-proof connections. Tube benders are crucial for shaping pipes to navigate tight spaces while maintaining their structural integrity. PVC cutters are vital for slicing through sturdy plastic piping, ensuring clean and precise cuts. Proficiency in using these tools is imperative for maintaining precision and safety, especially when working on ladders or with sharp instruments. Each tool is instrumental in ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently and safely. Cutting and flaring copper piping. Cutting and flaring copper piping is both a science and an art. With the right tools and proper technique, you can achieve clean, precise connections every time, ensuring a leak-free and efficient system. Working with PVC piping. While copper is common in refrigeration and HVAC systems, PVC piping is often used in condensate drains and other auxiliary applications. Mastering proper cutting, joining, and alignment of PVC is crucial to avoid leaks and blockages. Always use the correct primer and cement for a durable, long-lasting bond. Safety first. Every step of piping work, whether copper or PVC, must be performed with safety in mind. Wear safety glasses when cutting or flaring, ensure adequate ventilation when using adhesives or flux, and handle sharp edges with care. A professional finish starts with protecting yourself and your work environment. As you can see, roughing in sets the stage for a smooth and successful heat pump installation. From condensate management to refrigerant piping and electrical planning, every detail matters. A little extra effort at this stage saves hours of troubleshooting later. If you found this training helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your peers, and subscribe to the channel for more HVAC training tips and step-by-step guides. Your next great installation starts with proper planning.